Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Idris, and today I'm going to be showing you how much I got paid in dividends for the month of July. So let's get right into this video. First, let's jump into my Robinhood account to see the progress I've been making this past few weeks. So as you can see, my account is total of $55,334.93, and in a day, in the past hour, I've been up $34.72. In a day, I'm up $198.07, which is 0.36%. In a week, I'm down $109.07. In a month, I'm up $464.30. In 3 months, I've been up $1,340.88. And in a year, I'm up $10,418.13, which is about 23.19%. So let's jump into how much I got paid in dividends for the month of July. So let's go down to July 1st. As you can see, on July 1st, my first dividends was from PPL. I got paid $13.39 for owning 32 shares. Now let's view this. As of right now, this stock is $28.62. My average cost is $26.76, and I still own about 32 shares and 749,728 in fractional shares. And I'm up $60, which is 6.94%. This dividend yield for this stock is 5.84%. Now let's move on to the next stock. KO, which is Coca-Cola. They paid me $25.43 for owning 60 shares, which was 42 cents per share. As of right now, the company is trading at $56.42, and I own about 62 shares right now. I've acquired 2 more shares, plus the dividend they paid me. I've acquired 2 more shares, and I added some money just to round the shares up to a whole number. So now I'm up a total return of $447.04, which is about 14.57%. And the dividend yield for this company is 2.96%. I'm also a believer in this company, and I'm always gonna try to acquire more and more of this company. Let's move on to the next stock, which is Kimberly-Clark. They paid me a dividend total of $14.36 for owning 12 shares in this company. And as of right now, the company is trading at $132.69. I own 17 shares. I've acquired more shares after the dividend was paid, because I saw some red days in the market. So my average cost was $130.80, and my total return has been $32. I'm a big believer in Kimberly-Clark, and I'm going to keep acquiring more and more of these shares, of more and more shares in this company, if the company keeps going down below its fair value. So anything under 130, I'm going to keep buying, even though the fair value is 120. So as of last month, the fair value was 127, so now it's back to 120. So I'm not really timing the market. I'm a big believer in the company and the business model of the company. So I'm going to keep acquiring more shares in this stock, because I know 10, 20 years from now, this stock will be trading higher from what it is right now. And let's move to the next one. All Realty paid me a dividend of $8.70 for owning 36 shares in the company. And as of right now, I own 37 shares. I have acquired more shares from the company, and my total return has been $467.28, which is about 21.80%. Let's move on to the next one. Stag Industry paid me a dividend of 89 cents. This is a monthly dividend that I acquire monthly. So I own 7 shares of the company, and it's trading at $41 right now. The stock has been going up crazy since the pandemic was lifted a bit. So I'm up about $102, and which is about 50.67%. I'm trying to acquire more of this share. I'm trying to acquire more shares in this company, but as of right now, I am not, because it's really expensive right now, and it's above what I want to pay for the stock. Let's move to the next one. Leggett and Platt paid me 42 cents per share for owning 12 shares in the company, which is a total amount of $5.20. As of right now, I own still own 12 shares in the company, and I'm up about $217.32. Want to own more shares in this company, but not at what it's trading right now. If it could come down a little bit, I would be buying more shares in this company. SPG, which is a Simon Property Group, paid me a dividend of $7.32 for owning 5 shares in the company, and as of right now, I'm up $371.19. As you can see, my average cost was $64. This was a share I bought during the pandemic crisis. So and this company has dividend yield of 4.12%, which is actually good. Anything from my maximum dividend yield I want is I don't want it to go past 5. So and it has a dividend of 4.12. So I really like that. That seems attractive to me. And as you can see, I've already got my money back from this company for buying it at a low price, which is 109.33%. So I've doubled my money already. So GE paid me a dividend of 20 cents for owning 20 shares. So as you can know, GE did a split. I think they did a reverse split. So for owning 20 shares, I got 2 shares of GE instead. And as of right now, well, seems it says this stock is not supported on Robinhood as of right now. So I guess something is going on. I really don't know that. I don't know about. So I haven't checked the stock in a while, but I heard about the news of the splits they were doing, and they paid me a dividend of 20 cents, and the stock is trading right now at $103.65, which was up from, I think it was trading at $13 before. So after that split, the stock went up. I'm guessing they want the stock to be attractive to investors. So moving on, Cisco paid me a dividend of $13.80 for owning 37 shares in the company. As of right now, Cisco is trading at $55.84, and I own 37 shares. I'm up $452.12, which is about 27.49%. The dividend yield for the company is 2.62%, which is great. That's the kind of yield I like to see on companies. And as you can see, my average cost is 43.80 cents. Now let's move on to the next one. And lastly, for July 30th, I got paid $3.93 from SPHD. This is also a monthly dividend company dividend payment I get every month. So as of right now, SPHD is trading at $43.54. I own 34 shares, and my average cost was $35.89. Total return has been 21.31%, as you can see, which totals $263.98. The dividend yield for this in 30 days was 4.11. I want to add more shares in this ETF, but as of right now, I am not, because we might be seeing some downturns in the market. I'm not sure, but I'm not timing the market either. But as of right now, I'm focusing on other companies to buy, and I've been buying a lot of I've been buying some other ETF, which I'm going to be revealing to you in the future. The video I'm going to be putting on in the future. So how to actually retire early by investing in those ETFs. So that seems to be the last dividend I received in July, and if we calculate everything together, it's going to be $93.22 for the month of July, which is good. So I'm still right there on the $100 mark, but which is what I actually want my dividend to be above. I want my dividend to be above $100 every month. So I know for the next dividend I would be collecting in July for next year, it's going to be more than what I'm getting paid as of right now, due to dividend increases by companies, and I know I would have acquired more shares in some sectors in companies. So that seems to be everything for this video. I just wanted to give you guys a quick update on how much I got paid for the month of July.